माइंड बूस्टर के टेस्ट सीरीज में आप सभी छात्रों का स्वागत और अभिनंदन। क्लास 12th प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन 60 very important MCQ questions for the first term examination of CBSE and NEET examination. Question number first, segregation of Mendelian factor occur during anaphase first, anaphase 2, diplotin, metaphase first. The right answer is A, anaphase first. Question number 2, a cross of F1 with the recessive parent is known as back cross, test cross, hybrid cross, double cross. The right answer is test cross, B. Question number 3rd. The percentage of AB gamete produced by capital A, capital B, small b parent will be 12.5, 25, 50, 75. The right answer is B, 25. Question number 4. F1 plants are heterozygous, homozygous, hemizygous, dizygous. The right answer is A, heterozygous. Question number 5. Mendel's law apply only when character are linked, parent are pure breeding, F1 monohybrid ratio show two type of individuals, first pair of contrasting character is dependent upon other pairs. The right answer is B, parents are pure breeding. Question number 6. A hemophilic man married a normal homozygous woman. What is the probability that their son will be the hemophilic? The right answer is C, 50%. Question number 7. An allele is dominate if it expressed in both homozygous and heterozygous condition, second generation, heterozygous combination, homozygous combination. The right answer is A, both homozygous and heterozygous condition. Question number 8. A woman with albinic father marries an albinic man. The proportion of her progeny is 2 normal, 1 albinic, all normal, all albinic, 1 normal, 1 albinic. The right answer is D, 1 normal, 1 albinic. Question number 9. Percentage of heterozygous individuals obtained from selfing capital R small r individuals is 100, 75, 50, 25. The right answer is C, 50. Question number 10. The process of mating between closely related individuals is self-breeding, inbreeding, hybridization, heterosis. The right answer is B. Inbreeding. Question number 11. A blood group has agglutinin gene in serum, on RBC, in plasma, in hemoglobin. The right answer is B. On RBCs. Question number 12. The father has blood group AB and mother O. The child is supposed to have which of the following groups? A or B? A only, B or O, B only. The right answer is A or B. Question number 13. In humans, height show a lot of variation. It is an example of multiple alleles, pleiotropic inheritance, polygenic inheritance, pseudoalleles. The right answer is C. Polygenic inheritance. Question number 14. Gene with multiple effect is codominant, pleiotropic, epistatic, supplementary. The right answer is B. Pleiotropic. Question number 15. How many different type of genetically different gametes will be produced by a heterozygous plant having the genotype capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, capital C? 2, 4, 6, 9. The right answer is B. 4. Question number 16. The gene controlling the 7p characters studied by Mendel are known to be located on how many different chromosomes? 4, 7, 6, 5. The right answer is A. 4. Question number 17. Which one of the following traits of garden pea studied by Mendel was a recessive? Round seed shape, axial flower position, green seed color, green pod color. The right answer is C. Green seed color. Question number 18. Which one have sex chromosome? Unisexual flower, bisexual flower, unisexual plant, hermaphrodite plant. The right answer is C. Unisexual plant. Question number 19. Genes located on mitochondrial DNA generally show maternal inheritance, are always inherited from male parent, so biparental inheritance are not inherited like the nuclear genes. The right answer is A. Generally show material inheritance. Question number 20. Different mutations referred to be the same locus of a chromosome give rise to multiple alleles, pseudoalleles, polygenes, oncogenes. The right answer is A. Multiple alleles. Question number 21. In Clifton syndrome, the sex chromosome complement is XXY, XO, XYY, XXX. The right answer is A. XXY. Question number 22. A human male has one bar body in his somatic cell nuclei. The chromosomes constitutes must be XO, XYY, XY, XXXY. The right answer is C. XXY. Question number 23. A pregnant woman underwent amniocentesis. An extra bar body is present in the embryo. Syndrome likely to occurred in the child is Clifton syndrome, Down syndrome, Edward syndrome, Patau syndromes. The right answer is A. Clifton syndrome. Question number 24. Which word result in hemolysis in fetus? AO, incompatibility, AB, incompatibility, RH, incompatibility, all of these. The right answer is C. RH, incompatibility. Question number 25. In Drosophila, the sex is determined by whether the egg is fertilized or develops parthenogenetically. The ratio of number of X chromosome to set of autosomes, X and Y chromosomes. The ratio pair X chromosome to the pairs of autosomes. The right answer is B. Question number 26. Christmas disease is another name for sleeping sickness, hemophilia B, hepatitis B, Down syndrome. The right answer is B. Hemophilia. Question number 27. Scientist who was awarded Nobel Prize for finding gene to be linear arranged on the chromosome was Punnett, Morgan, wolf, somadrum. The right answer is B. Morgan. Question number 28. When a cluster of genes show linkage behavior, they include induced cell division, do not show chromosome map, show recombinant during the meiosis, do not show independent assortment. The right answer is D. Do not show independent assortment. Question number 29. Number of Barr bodies in XXXX female would be 4, 3, 2, 1. The right answer is B. 3. Question number 30. A diploid cell is treated with colchicine. It becomes diploid, monoploid, triploid, tetraploid. The right answer is D. Tetraploid. Question number 31. One of the genes present exclusively on the X chromosome in human is concerned with baldness, facial hair, moustache in the males, red-green color blindness, night blindness. The right answer is C. Red-green color blindness. Question number 32. Sickle cell anemia is characterized by the elongated sickle-like RBC with the nucleus, an autosomal linked dominant trait caused by the substitution of the valine by the glutamic acid in the beta globin chain of a hemoglobin, caused by a change in a single base pair of DNA. The right answer is D. Question number 33. How many types of gametes are found in F1 progeny of cross AA, BB, CC and small a, small b, small b, small c, small c? 3, 8, 27, 64. The right answer is B. 8. Question number 34. Test cross is crossing between genotype with the dominant trait, genotype with the recessive trait, F1 hybrid with the double recessive, two F1 hybrids. The right answer is C. F1 hybrid with the double recessive. Question number 35. Out of a population of 800 F2 individuals of a cross between yellow round and green wrinkled pea plants, the number of yellow wrinkled seed would be 150, 200, 400, 800. The right answer is A. 150. Question number 36. Which one of the following conditions in the human is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormalities linkage? Down syndrome 44 autosomes plus XO. Clifton syndrome 44 autosomes plus XXY. Color blindness Y linked. Erythroblastosis foetus X linked. The right answer is B. Clifton syndrome 44 autosomes XXY. Question number 37. The most popularly known blood grouping is the ABO grouping. It is the named ABO and not ABC because of O in it refers to having no antigen beside A and B on RBCs. Second, other antigen beside A and B of RBCs, over dominance of the type of on the gene for A and B types, one antibody only either anti-A or anti-B on the RBCs. The right answer is A. Question number 38. Polyploidy can be produced artificially by colchicine, inbreeding, line breeding, self-pollination. The right answer is A. Colchicine. Question number 39. Alzheimer's disease in human is associated with the deficiency of dopamine, glutamic acid, acetylcholine, gamma aminobutyric acid GABA. The right answer is D. Gamma antibutyric acid. Question number 40. A cross in which an organism showing a dominant phenotype is crossed with the recessive parent in order to know its genotype is called dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross, back cross, test cross. The right answer is D. Test cross. Question number 41. Which one of the following conditions of the zygotic cell would lead to the birth of a normal human female child? Only one X chromosome, one X and one Y chromosome, two X chromosomes, only Y chromosomes. The right answer is C. Two X chromosomes. Question number 42. Mendel's principle of segregation means that the green cells always recessive. The germ cells are always recessive. One pair of alleles, one quarter of the genes, one of the paired alleles, any pair of alleles. The right answer is C. Question number 43. The major cause of evolution of gene and protein is point mutation, chromosomal aberration, sexual reproduction, gene duplication and divergence. The right answer is A. Point mutation. Question number 44. In blood group typing in the human, if an allele contributed by one parent is I and an allele contributed by the other parent is small I, the resulting blood group of the offspring will be A, B, AB, O. The right answer is A. Question number 45. A test cross is carried out to determine the genotype of a plant at F2, predict whether two traits are linked, assess the number of alleles of a gene, determine whether two species or varieties will be bred successfully. The right answer is A. Question number 46. The chromosome constitution 2n2 of an organism represents monosomic, nullisomic, haploid, trisomic. The right answer is B. Nullisomic. Question number 47. F2 generation in a Mendelian cross showed that both genotype and phenotype are the same 1:2:1. It represents a case of codominance, dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross with the complete dominance, monohybrid cross with the incomplete dominance. The right answer is D. Question number 48. Chimera is produced due to somatic mutation, reverse mutation, lethal mutation, pleiotropic mutation. Chimera is produced due to. The right answer is A. Somatic mutation. Question number 49. The incorrect statement with regard to hemophilia is a single protein involved in the clotting of blood is affected. It is a sex disease. It is a recessive disease. It is not dominant disease. Right answer is A. Question number 50. If both parents are carried for thalassemia, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, what are the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child? 100%, no chance, 50%, 25%. The right answer is D, 25%. Question number 51. In a population of 1000 individuals, 360 belongs to genotype AA, 480 to capital A small a, and remaining 160 to small a. Based on this data, the frequency of allele capital A in the population is 0.6, 0.7, 0.4, 0.5. The right answer is A, 0.6. 52. Down syndrome is characterized by 19 trisomy, 21 trisomy, only one X chromosome, 2 X and only Y chromosome. Right answer is B. Question number 53. A man whose father was colorblind marries a woman who had a colorblind mother and normal father. What percentage of male children of the couple will be colorblind? 50%, 75%, 25%, 0%. The right answer is A, 50%. Question number 54. Multiple alleles are present at the same locus of the chromosome on non-sister chromatids on different chromosomes at different loci on the same chromosome. The right answer is A, at the same locus. Question number 55. Fruit color in squash is an example of complementary gene, inhibitory gene, recessive epistaxis, dominant epistaxis. The right answer is D, dominant epistaxis. Question number 56. Alleles are different molecular form of a gene, heterozygotes, different phenotype, true breeding, homozygotes. The right answer is A, different molecular forms. Question number 57. The experimental material in the Mendel's experiment was Pisum sativum, Oryza sativa, Mirabilis jalapa, none of the above. The right answer is A, Pisum sativum. Question number 58. The alternative form of gene is called dominant character, recessive character, alternative gene, allele. The right answer is D. Alleles. Question number 59. During the experiment, Mendel called genes by the term traits, characters, factors, qualities. The right answer is C. Factors. Question number 60. If a genotype consists of different type of alleles, it is called homozygous, heterozygous, monoalletic, unialletic. The right answer is B. Heterozygous. Thank you for solving the 60 most important MCQ for first term examination and NEET examination. Join my biology class. Share the link to all the students of NEET and 11th class.